guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're playing Hypixel Skyblock, and yeah, so today because right now Derpy is mayor, so like every mob in the game has double the health like normal. So that means Zealots have not 12,000, they have, wait, let me do the math, 24,000, and like, let's just say you were doing a dungeon, then like the boss would have double the amount of health. So, today we're trying to one-shot a Zealot with the new mayor. But first of all, I left this minion last time with a super compactor. Let's see how much money it made. And it actually made a lot. So let's collect it all and go to the hub and sell it. I think the minion made about I think like, wait, if we have 12, then I think the minion did, I think 60,000? No, 32,000. Okay, so we sold that. Now we have 155,000. But the most stupid thing about the new mayor, Derpy, is he closed the auction house for 4 days. That's why I hate Maid. This is the perks he gives. Minion have double the output. AH closed. The auction house will be closed while Derpy is elected. Double mobs HP. All monsters have double health. More skill, gain plus 50% more skill experience, and yeah, that's it. Only 3 of these perks are good, and all the others are just due to water. Okay, so at least I have a good setup, okay guys? At least I have a good setup. Like, I have the witch mask, which is really good because the ability lets me one-shot Zealots, but I want to do it with my Flower of Truth, which does a lot of damage. Like, see, this ability can do 6,000 damage, but when there's a lot of mobs together, like look, 2 mobs together, it did now 32,000 damage, which is a lot, if you ask me. And yeah, but I think I also want to do in today's video is I want to get a new combat level. So first of all, we gotta do our EXP share. Wait, let me kill this spider quick. There we go. I just want to do it quick because if a mob knocks me off, I'm gonna be so mad because I have so much money on me right now. Okay, let's do a high experiment. Okay, harvesting. Ooh, we can make a lot of money with the stuff we got. Oh yes, we just made 50,000 right now. Okay. Yeah, so we just made a lot of money. So, oh my god, there's a witch. Wait, we got a new enchanting level. Wait, let me see what it gives us. 12,500 coins, plus 2 intelligence, rend enchantment, ability damage, plus gain 128% more experience from any source. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the hub and sell everything we got. And yeah. So we got 67k right now. Okay, so let's put all of this money in our bank. Alright, okay, there we go. Now let's just go in our island and go through the portal to the end. Because their Endermen give a lot of XP. So we're just going to grind here. Like, look at how much HP they have. Normally, these Endermen have like, I think 4,500 HP. But because I have a really good setup, it's really easy to grind them. Like, look at, like, my Bat Swarm ability can literally clear so much. Like, look at this. Bat, kill them, nice. And now I can easily kill them. Boom. And we also got an 2 enchanted ender pearls in a row. Like, that's just really lucky. But we can also make money from this, because we can get ender armor, which sells like 10k to NPCs. But in the auction house, they go like for 75k. Another enchanted ender pearl. Like, what is this luck? Okay, there we go. Boom. Boom. Okay. Kill them. Why? There we go. Okay. Oh my god. He's just stealing all of my kills. Okay. Wait, I want to see my skill average. We have an 18.2 skill average. That's good. And the highest skill I have is enchanting. Because I usually get like 200,000 XP from enchanting every day. So, yeah, that's a lot of XP. Combat, I usually get like 13,000 a day. But today that we're grinding for it, it's a little bit more. Maybe we'll get the new combat level in a other video. But let's just start a grind for now. Okay, there we go. Oh, we got a new beastery. We got Enderman 7. So that means now we deal more damage to Enderman. And we get also more magic find from Enderman. And that means we'll get even rare drops. Wait, let me go to the top. Because those Endermen have 12,000 HP. And that is a little bit too much for me. Because right now with my God Pot, I deal like 21,000 damage, but we might make some flips next video because I'm running low on that money. And the best money making method I know is bazaar flipping, that's all. Ooh, ooh, look at this guy. Oh my god, that has a lot of damage. This guy almost stopped, and he died. That's a little, oh, runic, we find a runic. There you go. Boom. Boom. Come on, bat swarm, kill these. Okay, you bat, go for this one, and I'll finish him. So, I think, wait, an endstone protector, where we gotta go and do some damage to it. Cause if you do a lot of damage in an endstone protector, yeah, then you literally just hit the jackpot. Ooh, there we go. Nice, nice. Boom, boom. Let's hit him. Oh my god, he does a lot of damage. He has 10 million HP. And we literally don't... Oh my god, he does so much damage. Come on. Go, go, go. Yes. Oh my god. No. He does so much damage, guys. Okay. No, 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 no. That is so much damage. Oh my god, look at our damage. We almost dealt 500,000. Oh, are we going to deal 500,000? I think we are. No, my game. Ooh, we are 7th place. Okay. Endstone rose. Nice. 2 enchanted endstone. And I think that's basically it. That's all we got. Ooh, we got an enchanted bone. Okay. Endstone roses are sold like for, I think, 75 or 50k. To NPCs, they're worth like 3k. Okay, so let's sell items, and that's going to be it for today's video. Let's go to the hub. So everything we got, because we got a lot of items. We got 7k worth of stuff. And yeah. Ooh, we got a white spiral, which is really good. But I think we gotta get a better accessory bag. Like, our accessory bag right now is not good at all. It's already full, but it is really good. So, I think that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, turn on post notifications, and yeah. Bye. See you guys next time.